Hey, Scrappers, Moose here again. Alright, so I've not made a video in a little while with back problems, but just wanted to share this one little tip with you. This is something that I found someone was throwing out, and you look at it and think, well, little wire, and that's about it. Throw it in with your scrap iron pile, right? Wrong! You know what this is? It's a neodymium magnet. This is your friend. That doesn't stick, that's not steel. That doesn't stick, that's not steel. Oh, that's steel. That's not. That's not. That's not. So the only steel is this piece right here. All this other stuff, I scratched it and it's brass. So instead of getting what would have been about 4.5 pounds of steel, I'm getting about 4 pounds of brass. That's just better. So remember, don't just look at it and think you know what it is. Test it. Make sure you always test it. These little magnets are great. And that's it. Thanks for watching.